Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. IntelliJ 2021. 3 years later, a Java SDK and a GitHub account with Copilot access. Once those are ready, open IntelliJ and go straight to Plugins right arrow Marketplace, search for GitHub Copilot, and click Install. Make sure to restart the IDE when prompted. This gets the extension in place quickly. You'll need authentication next, so keep your GitHub credentials handy and have two-factor ready if enabled. Once the plugin is installed, you authenticate. Click Sign in with GitHub inside IntelliJ, complete the OAuth flow, and grant Copilot the requested scopes. After authentication, open Settings right arrow Tools right arrow GitHub Copilot and enable it for the current project. Adjust suggestion frequency and telemetry choices to fit your workflow. You should also set or verify keyboard shortcuts for accepting and cycling suggestions so you can work fluidly. Now you use Copilot. Start typing a function or comment describing intent, and Copilot will surface inline suggestions. Accept with your shortcut or press cycle to see alternatives. Always review and test generated code, run unit tests and linters right away to catch logic or style issues. If Copilot stops suggesting, make sure you're signed in, check network connectivity, update the plugin, and restart IntelliJ. If problems persist, disable other completion plugins temporarily to rule out conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.